In this video, we will explore Express route parameters and how they allow us to capture dynamic values from URLs. Route parameters are dynamic segments in URL paths that allow you to capture and extract values from incoming requests. These parameters provide a way to make your routes more flexible and capable of handling various inputs. Here's the basic syntax for defining a route with a parameter in Express. We use the colon symbol followed by the parameter name, such as ID. When a request is made to a URL matching this pattern, the value of the ID segment will be available in the req.params object. For example, app.get/users/:ID, then a callback function with request and response as parameters, then console.log request.params.id. Let's look at a couple of examples to illustrate how URLs match routes with parameters. If we have a URL /users/123, the value of the ID parameter will be 123. Similarly, if we have a URL /users/John, the value of the ID parameter will be John. You can also define routes with multiple parameters. Each parameter is specified using a colon followed by the parameter name. In the route handler, you can access these parameters via the req.params object. For example, app.get, then single quote, /users/:user ID, /posts, /post ID, single quote, then a callback function with request and response as parameters. Inside the function, we declare a constant and destructure user ID and post ID from request.params, and then console log user ID and post ID. Here's an example of a URL that matches a route with multiple parameters. Given the URL /users/John/posts/42, the value of the user ID parameter will be John, and the value of the post ID parameter will be 42. Express also allows you to define optional route parameters. To make a parameter optional, you append a question mark to it in the route definition. If the parameter is not present in the URL, its value in req.params will be undefined. For example, app.get, then single quote /products/:category /:ID question mark single quote, then a callback function with request and response as parameters. Inside the function, we declare a constant and destructure category and ID from request.params, and then console log category and ID. Let's examine how optional parameters work with different URLs. If we have the URL /products/electronics/123, the value of the category parameter will be electronics, and the value of the ID parameter will be 123. However, if we have the URL /products/books, the value of the category parameter will be books, and the value of the ID parameter will be undefined. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.